my afternoon snack. So yeah. So I already have one thing. I already started the popcorn because when I got the popcorn in the microwave, that's when I thought about it when it was already cooking, about doing this video of my afternoon snack. But it's fine. So yeah. Look at my ladder because I need my ladder. Yeah, because I'm not that tall. I'm taller than some people, but I'm not that tall. So I like reach up here, and I got me cute, like, I don't know really what you call them, but they're monkey pajamas, and I think they're absolutely the cutest, because y'all know how I make my popcorn. So, yeah. Let's go get a bowl, because I wash my own bowls. Like, I don't know what I need to clear about that. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Take that bowl, that. Okay, so my popcorn is now done. So I'm gonna get all the candy and bring my popcorn out. I'm not actually gonna get that much, but you know what I put in there? Okay. I'm just gonna eat. No, I'm not. But that is that. So I'm gonna put the candy up. So, yeah, let's put the candy up. But I really like these monkey pajamas. So I think they're absolutely like the cutest. I got another set. I got 2 of these types, or it didn't have monkeys on it. Instead, that one had hearts on it, but I got that one too. I love the feel of these pajamas. Like, it absolutely feels so good. It's not time for bed. I just got out of the pool, so I just kind of wanted to change into my pajamas. Yeah. I put like tons of salt in there. And you know, not too many there. Just a few. So I've had some candy today. I'm not putting as much as normal because I just don't need that much today. But there's that. And then last but not least, I might just eat it honestly. Actually, I'm gonna put it on the popcorn to show you. And this is my like only snack. I think I'm gonna get like a healthy snack, you know, because I need it. So that's what the popcorn looks like, the Hershey or thingy, whatever, in the corner. Let me go back down the candy because I forgot. I've got to put the clusters up. So yeah, I'm gonna get down, or I'm just gonna grab the Nerds and try and see if I can just reach them up there. So, yeah. Perfect. The Nerds are up there. My drink is outside. I have to go get that. But then I'm trying to think about if we got any Chex Mix. So I really want some Chex Mix. I don't think we have any. So make sure and double check. Like the chip one and stuff. I might get some goldfish. I don't know. Goldfish pretty good. I'm gonna go get a healthy snack though. But like, I really wanted, what do you call them? Chex Mix. Hope we have Rice Krispies. Do we have Rice Krispies? I don't know. I'm trying to look. It's so hard to see. No, I don't think we have Rice Krispies. So I'm gonna go throw my trash away. Then maybe get some fruit or something. Because I like fruit. That's one thing I will eat. Like apples and fruit and stuff like that. So yeah. I'm just gonna prop the camera up. You know what? Yeah, right there. Go this way. Okay. So that's thrown away. I'm gonna set this up here. Get a bowl down and start my healthy snack. Because like I told you, I have Hawaiian lunch for my drink, and that's already in my wallet. I think I left that outside. No, it's inside. It's just right by the door. So, yeah. Now I'm gonna look in the fridge to see what we've got in the fridge for fruit. Let's see. Okay, we've got some good fruit. Put down all the fruit so I can eat some of it. Just a mixture of it all, I guess. Plus string cheese, because everyone knows like string cheese is the best. Or not everyone, but ooh, my favorite. Pickles. I need some pickles. Okay, I'm back. Blueberries, I feel like. Just blueberries. So I eat like a lot, but everything is just so good, so it's hard to stop myself. And I think I'm gonna get a thing of string cheese. I can get find the string cheese. Where's the string cheese? Okay, there's only one more string cheese. I think the date on it is good. I think it's good. I'm gonna make sure we. Okay, we don't have any apples, but that's okay because we still got a lot of good fruits. Because I just eat one for a snack too. Plus, so you got like an unhealthy snack and a healthy snack, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and start eating that before it melts my popcorn. I'm gonna get one more little bowl, and that's for the pickles. Oh, I'm gonna get silverware. We get just a spoon, I guess, to get the pickles. Hopefully they're easy to open. Potatoes are actually super easy to open. Like, I will eat pickles at breakfast. I love pickles. Are pickles a vegetable? I think so. They're like one of my favorite vegetables. My favorite vegetable is potato. I don't know if I've mentioned that in like my potato video I did. Go watch that after this. But I don't really remember. But potatoes are my first favorite. My second favorite is pickles. My third favorite are carrots. My fourth are celery. My fifth is probably corn. Sorry, that's my brother, y'all. But
what y'all doing?
there is my afternoon snack, my pickles.
Hey.
Now I'm still gonna make, though, my fruit bowl. Because my fruit bowl is my favorite.
We're gonna eat.
Because I'm so excited, y'all,
Where's
for
your
my
towels?
fruit bowls. So, yeah.
Where's
I'm
your
gonna start
towels?
my fruit bowl.
Oh gosh.
Okay, but yeah. So let's start. If I can open the blueberries. Perfect. Have the blueberries been washed, Mom?
No.
What?
No, we need to wash.
Will you wash them really quick while I get the grapes? Here. You wash those? Thank you. Yeah, we just got out of the pool, so I think me and Tucker, my brother, are the only one that have changed, I think. My mom has it. Now I'm gonna get my pickle. I'm not gonna get too many grapes because I'm not gonna eat them all. But yeah. Uh-oh. One fell on the ground. I'll pick that up. Go to the trash can. Perfect. Have another bite. Perfect. Wait on the blueberry. Whoa. Pickles about fell. Put this up.
Can you edit that part out?
Perfect. Now where are the blueberries?
They're wet. So if you just get a handful and put them in a paper towel.
Okay. I'm gonna get a few. Paper towel.
And then Nico's wet towel.
Perfect. Because they're wet. So I'm gonna dry them off. Oh. perfect. I'm gonna kind of just pretend they're dry. I don't really care if they're dry or not, but there's that. I'm gonna run and grab a cup. I'm gonna show y'all the snack. I took a big bite. So I've got my cup. Now I'm gonna grab the bowls.
Mommy, can you make me a snack?
Maybe in a minute. You know what? I might make a video on my brother's snack too. Oh, that would be a good video. Yeah. That'll work. So we're gonna do this. Some blueberries and grapes. Uh-oh. My pickles. My popcorn. My nerds. And then Hawaiian punch. So good. Try one of my pickles and try one of everything. That's good. Grape. Grapes are good too. Blueberry. Popcorn. Those popcorns are good too. Now find one. Word cluster. So good, y'all. Y'all should make this. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.